We are all seeing a lot of new technology coming into wearables, the augmented reality kind of things or virtual reality kind of things, and they are broad cases of Internet of Things.
Okay, thank you, man. Thank you. Next. Next. Call support. I need help into locating the air filter, man.
On the other side, John.
Oh yeah, I'm going to open it. Right. Be online, see what I'm seeing.
Okay.
Okay, sure.
Yes.
Yeah, I can see a big box. Okay, is that so?
That's the one.
I hope you're seeing it, right? Cool. Okay, sure. Okay. Next. Coolant is okay. Next. So, video.
So we're going to check the voltage. Here's my digital voltmeter. It's auto ranging. So we have it hooked up properly down here. We're going to put
It needs a lot of complex technologies. This is not a straightforward way of doing things. It will need voice, it will need images, image processing, it will need indoor positioning, it will need gesture recognition, because the whole focus is on hands-free technology and hands-free solutions. The real challenge is to integrate all of these into a solution. And of course, at the background side of it, we integrate that with SAP HANA or JD Edwards or Oracle applications and so on.
Good, okay, no oil leakage. Looks in a pretty good shape, no rusting. All seals good. Hey Michael. Yeah, John, I've checked it, man. Check the genset. That's pretty well, pretty good. No major issues.